How smart refrigerators work. Refrigerators used to have one main responsibility: keep food cold. That was the entire job description. Now some refrigerators have touchscreens, cameras, internet connectivity, inventory tracking, and app integration. Which means your fridge may now technically have software updates. A sentence that would have sounded deeply unnecessary about 20 years ago. So today we are going to walk through how smart refrigerators actually work and how connected appliances became part of smart homes. Chapter 1: The basic idea. Smart refrigerators combine cooling systems with digital technology. Sensors and internet connectivity add extra functions. Modern appliances increasingly integrate with smart homes. Chapter 2: Traditional refrigeration systems. Smart refrigerators still use normal cooling systems. Compressors and refrigerants remove heat. Temperature control remains the core function. Chapter 3: Embedded computers and sensors. Internal computers manage smart features. Sensors monitor temperatures and door activity. Data collection improves automation. Chapter 4: Internet connectivity. Wi-Fi allows refrigerators to connect online. Apps communicate with appliances remotely. Cloud systems support smart functions. Chapter 5: Touchscreens and user interfaces. Some models include large digital displays. Users can access calendars, recipes, and controls. Interfaces resemble tablet systems. Chapter 6: Internal cameras. Some refrigerators contain cameras inside. Users can view contents remotely through apps. Inventory awareness becomes easier. Chapter 7: Smart inventory tracking. Advanced systems attempt to track stored food. Barcode scanning and image recognition may assist. Automation remains limited in many models. Chapter 8: Energy management. Smart refrigerators monitor energy usage. Efficiency settings adjust operation dynamically. Energy-saving features reduce power consumption. Chapter 9: Smart home integration. Refrigerators may connect with voice assistants and smart ecosystems. Devices communicate through home networks. Automation expands across appliances. Chapter 10: Maintenance and diagnostics. Smart systems monitor appliance health. Apps may notify users about maintenance issues. Remote diagnostics simplified troubleshooting sometimes. Chapter 11: Security and privacy concerns. Connected devices create cybersecurity concerns. Internet-connected appliances require software protection. Smart homes increase digital complexity. Chapter 12: The bigger picture. Smart refrigerators reflect broader appliance automation trends. Homes increasingly integrate connected systems. Consumer technology continues expanding into everyday appliances. To wrap up, smart refrigerators work by combining traditional refrigeration systems with sensors, embedded computers, internet connectivity, and smart home integration features. Digital interfaces and monitoring systems add convenience and automation capabilities. Connected appliances increasingly rely on software and cloud infrastructure. Smart refrigerators became part of the growing ecosystem of internet-connected home devices. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.